Okay, so here we have the one link that was provided for us in the resources. So it was 369 minus 124. So here we have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones places. So here we have the full value of 369. And so our first thing that we will tackle is 9 minus 4. And since we don't have to carry any values over, we will just remove 4 values. There we are. And so the result is now 5. Then we have 6 minus 2. And since we don't have to carry any values, or in other words, 60 minus 20. So we would remove 2 10 values. There we go. And finally, we have 3 minus 1, or 300 minus 100. So we would remove that value. And so our final result will be 245 as our answer. 245. But I also used this website because it's a lot easier to organize and make a visual of the takeaway method. And so basically the same here, the full value of 369. I broke up each individual value into its different place value, hundreds, tens, ones. And so I separated both values into the portions that I would take away and that I would keep from the original value amount. And so this results in 124, and this is 245.